Hi students, Namita Miss here with today's topic. So today we are going to draw one beautiful drawing of Independence Day. Okay, so let's start. So as usual, we first practice couple of things, correct? So on the very first page, I want you to make two sections, and in this section we are going to draw one girl. Okay, now watch carefully. We'll start with an oval like this. Okay, and here is her hair, ears, eyes, and she is very happy. Okay, want you to draw her hair like this because she is so happy. She is just jumping. So her hair, like her braids are just like, they are also like jumping. Okay, at the bottom of this oval, like below this oval, right over here, draw one U like this, and like this her hands. Okay, see, pay attention. Here is your oval, these are her hair braids, and right below this over here you are doing one U like this, a flat U like this, and then slanting lines like this. Okay, and then you will make this lines double like this, and then right below this circle right over here, this is her upper body. Okay, and let's make some patterns for her dress. This is her skirt. Here you can show some patterns on her skirt, and here let's join these lines. And now see, this is her thumb, and then 1 2 3 4. Okay, one more time I'll show you. This is her thumb, and then 1 2 3 4. So easy it is. One more time I'll show you. If this is her, the end of her like t-shirt like this over here, then you are going to draw one thumb like this, and then 1 2 3 and 4. So easy it is, isn't it? So once this part done, then right below this cut, right over here, right in the middle, draw one standing line, then another standing line, then another standing line, and here we are going to show her boots. Okay, got it? So this is how we are going to draw the girl. Now in the second section right over here, we are going to draw a boy. Okay, so it is the same way we are going to follow. First of all, we are going to draw a oval like this. Maybe this oval needs little bit of correction like this. Okay, and then show some hair, ears, then eyes, nose, and a big smile. Okay, now right below this oval right over here, draw one U like this, and he is also very happy because it is Independence Day, so he is very happy. Now double this line like this, and right below this section right over here, that's his upper body part right over here, and then see a thumb, then 1 2 3 and 4. Again right over here a thumb, 1 2 3 4. Now let's draw his shorts. Here are the pockets. From here extend this line, draw one more standing line and draw boots. See how simple it is, isn't it? It's so simple. So you all first practice these two figures, okay? Practice these two figures and then only you will start with the proper drawing with the background and everything, okay? But you all must practice it, okay? Because these are human figures, so they are just little difficult to draw. So I want you to practice them first, okay? Then only move on to the next page, okay? Alright, so on the next page, first of all, write the title. Okay, and right over here on the left hand side here, I am going to draw our Indian flag. Here, sleeping line, 2 sleeping line, 3 sleeping line and 1 more sleeping line, and then we are going to join it, and in the middle draw this Ashoka Chakra like this. Here draw one long rectangle. Okay, now once your flag is done, let's draw that cute little girl that we practiced right over here. Okay, so let's start from here. First of all, I am going to start with an oval like this, and then these are her hair. Ears, eyes, nose, and she is very happy. Okay, right below this oval, right over here, there is a U, and then her hands are this. Double this line, and right below in this section, right over here, it's her upper body part, right over here, and then let's show her skirt. Can show any patterns on her dress. Thumb, then 1 2 3 4. Thumb, 1 2 3 4. Alright, and exactly from the middle we'll have one line, another line, one more line, and then let's show her boots. Alright, the girl is done. Now let's do boy over here. Okay, so in the same similar line over here, we'll draw our oval. And he is very happy, he is smiling, he is giving a big smile. Now below this oval, right over here, and you like this, and then his hands are also up in the air. Thumb, 1 2 3 4. Here is the thumb, 1 2 3 4. Here is his hands right over here like this, and then you will extend this line, draw another standing line, one more standing line, and then show some boots. Alright, so our flag is done, our girl and boy, it is done. Okay, and they are so happy, they are just extending their hands like that, they are just saying yay, today is Independence Day. So they are very happy. Now in the background over here, what we are going to do, we are going to draw beautiful balloons, but don't just draw them in the same line. Okay, draw them in a zigzag pattern. Okay, I'll show you. So here there is one a balloon, then don't draw a balloon just next to it, draw it little bit below, then little bit over here, little bit over here. So zigzag line like this, zigzag pattern. Alright, balloons done. Now you can go ahead and you can do any patterns or any circles or like wavy lines, anything you can do, you can do on the balloons. But since this is our Independence Day drawing, I am going to color all the balloons in our flag colors like orange and green. So that's why I'm just going to keep them as it is, but if you want, you can go ahead and make different patterns, that will do, no worries. Okay, now here at the bottom, I'm going to show some grass. And we can show some flowers also. Here also we can show some grass, can show a flower also. And we have learned doodle flowers in the last session, remember? So if you want to do the doodle flowers, go ahead, that will look even more prettier. So you can use doodle flowers also. Okay, now you all know, as usual, once your sketching with your pencil is done, then you will start sketching with your black sketch pen and do it very nicely. Also for the hair part, I want to show you, see, you don't want this line. So when you will do the hair, you are actually going to erase the line which is inside this hair, see. Okay, erase that line. But for the girl, see, show them like this. Got it? Okay. Now once you are sketching with your black sketch pen done, you will start with the coloring. Now I am going to show you how I have done the coloring. See, it's right over here. See, I have used flag colors for the balloons like light green, dark green, orange, red, even different shades of green for the leaves. And for the flag, you already know our Indian flag has 3 colors, that is orange on the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. Okay, and for the girl and boy's face, for the inside their mouth, I have done ochre color. For the skin, I have done the skin color. But for the hair, please do not use black color, because when you use black color, it gets really shabby. That color is like spread everywhere all around your drawing book. So please don't use black color, use very nice dark brown color. Okay, and for the girl and boys clothes, you can use any color, rainbow colors. You can show different patterns, any color you want, you can go ahead and do it. And for the background, I have used a beautiful bright yellow color, but little bit in this section, wherever there is like people or things, right over here, I have given some light ochre color. Okay, so today this is our today's session, kids. If you don't understand anything, please video call me. Okay, chalo, let's start with the activity.